Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to fix the Smart View in a Samsung phone. Fixing Smart View in a Samsung phone is essential for users who wants to wirelessly connect and mirror their phone screen to a compatible TV or other display devices. Smart View enables a convenient way to share content such as videos, photos, or presentations on a larger screen. Firstly, type Smart View in the search bar of your phone. Tap on Show More to see all the content in Smart View. Click on Smart View. You can view your phone screen or play content on a TV or other screen mirroring device. Tap on Details and click on Settings from the top right corner. Now select Smart View in general. In Smart View, the latest version is already installed. Now go back and open the settings of your phone. Scroll down and tap on Apps. Tap on Filter and Sort. Turn on the Show System apps. Go back and search Smart View and open it. Scroll down and tap on Change System Settings. Turn off the Allow Permission and then turn it on. Go back and click on Appear on top. Turn it off, Allow Permission, and then turn it on too. Now go back and open Storage. Tap on Clear Data and then OK. Now go back to Apps and search Smart View. Open it and tap on Permissions. Click on the camera and allow the camera access for this app to allow only while using the app. Now tap on Location and allow its access also. Go back and open the phone. Allow its access too. Now go back to the home page. Scroll the page to the down and click on Smart View. That is how you can fix the Smart View on a Samsung phone. If you enjoyed this video, like it and share your comments or questions below.